Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Windows 11 on your computer. Now go ahead and type in Windows Insider Program in Windows search box and then click on Windows Insider Program. Now on this screen here you can see to manage the Windows Insider Program for your device and allow it to stay in Windows Insider Program, you'll need to turn on optional diagnostic data. So you have to go ahead and turn on this option. So go to diagnostic and feedback settings. So click on this hyperlink over here. Now over here you have to go ahead and put a check on the box which says optional diagnostic data. Now again you can go ahead and type in Windows Insider Program and now click on Windows Insider Program settings. Now over here you can see the Get Started option, so click on Get Started. Now click on Link an Account. Now over here if your Microsoft account is already there, you can go ahead and select it and then click on Continue. In case if you see that your account is not there, in that case you can go ahead and click on Microsoft account and then click on Continue. Now enter your Microsoft account. Now click on Next. Now enter your password over here.
Now over here it will be asking you to pick your insider settings, so select dev channel if you want Windows 11 right now. But let me inform you that right now Windows 11 is less stable, so if you want to get Windows 11 right now, you can go ahead and select this.
Now click on Confirm and then you have to go ahead and restart your computer, so click on Restart now.
Now after the system restart, go to the Start menu and then open Windows 10 settings. Go to Update and Security, and over here it should start downloading Windows 11. So here you can see it's downloading Windows 11 right now, and once the download is complete you will have Windows 11 on your computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.